from our thoughts. Kasi kaya nag-release kami ng Baby Versus para kahit malayo kami, mafe-feel nyo kami from afar. And sana napanood nyo, nagustuhan nyo yung content namin. And kahit nga andun kami, we're outside the Philippines, pero minsan wino-wonder namin, para paano na kaya the Philippines? And now we're back here, so thank you so much for the warmth tonight, Blooms!
Thank you, Blooms! Perfect attendance ba kayo sa lahat ng episodes? Well, ano favorite niyo? Hindi na naman yan. Lahat na lang nandiyan ka hindi mo nanood. Sorry lang. Pero if may na-miss kayo na episodes or if gusto nyo lang ulit-ulitin para may views, tarik. Gusto nyo lang ulit-ulitin ang paid episodes nyo, just check our Beanie Official at YouTube to watch all Beanie Versus episodes. At syempre, don't miss the new episodes every Wednesday, 8 p.m. Yes, pero alam niyo ba, Blooms? Meron pa kaming nakaka-out of our head surprise. We are finally launching our own makeup line! Can you believe it? Yes! Excited na kami i-share ito sa inyo, Blooms. Kaya naman, let's all sing.
Ang cute naman ng cherry.
Yes, the Young Blooms officially begun now Beanie Cosmetics! Grabe, this is such an exciting moment for us kasi hindi lang to basta-basta makeup line. This is our baby. From the conceptualization, yung shades, yung names, even the textures and vibe ng buong collection, pinag-isipan po talaga namin to and inupuan talaga namin Beanie. And syempre, kahit may mga gusto kong shades, diba, kailangan isipin nyo na as a group. And hindi lang kami, di ba, yung kinoconsider namin kayo, Blooms. Actually, kayo yung nasa isip namin nung ginagawa namin to. Ano ba yung sa tingin nila magugustuhan na shades or for mga sensitive skin, di ba? Kinonsider din natin yan. So, guys, exciting! And sana support niyo itong makeup line namin, Beanie. Thank you so much.
Sobrang tagal namin plinano to talaga. Tsaka naalala ko sumabay pa to sa concert natin, di ba? Parang every after rehearsal, tinatry po namin isingin talaga yung magte-test kami ng products, mag-swatch kami. Kasi syempre we wanna be, ano tawag yun? Gusto namin perfect and good quality products yung may produce namin. And gusto namin maging hands-on.
And even the mascara, di ba may time na tinry natin siya before rehearsals para makita natin kung smudge wear.
Yes, and this kind of makeup is something that you can use for everyday. Kung gusto nyo rumamba. Tapos for us, magagamit din namin ito pag may mga concerts, mga shows, events. Yes, and we really are very hands-on and sobrang pinili talaga namin from all the details. Parang naman sabi niya talaga na, ay, ito, very Beanie. Gano'n.
Parang pinakamatagal tayo dun sa packaging, yung color ng packaging. Parang hindi kasi kami magkasundo. Ano ba gusto? Parang mas maganda yung color lang to. Parang mas maganda. Pero yes.
And syempre, hindi lang siya basta ganda kasi each product is made with ingredients na maalaga yung skin like goji berry, peptides, vitamin E. Para kahit, alam niyo yun, di ba tayong Beanie, kahit glam tayo, glow pa rin tayo within.
Yeah, so ibang level din po talaga yung process namin. As in, bawat shade, pinag-isipan namin at may hugot. Kasi syempre, very personal talaga yung names ng shades. Very close to our hearts. So, abangan niyo yan dahil kung totoong Bloom ka, makaka-relate ka at alam mo kung ano yung mga nandun. And you'll know why we decided to name it that way. Basta secret mo na yan for now. Exciting!
And we really designed this for you, Blooms, gaya nga nasabi niya Ate Jo, para sa mga students na maaga yung class o sa mga may trabaho pero gustong gumimik after work or sa mga girls na gusto na maging extra cute today. And this line is for every type of woman and every version of that woman.
And today, you'll get the first ever
try of Beanie Cosmetics. Pwede nyo i-test sa booth, take pics, swatch, and go wild. But reminder lang po, it is not for sale just yet. Patikim lang muna, but pre-order details will be announced very soon.
Sa mga hindi po alam, may booth po tayo sa labas ng Beanie Cosmetics na pwede kayo mag-try.
Bilangin niyo yung lipstick doon, baka na wala na yung iba. Pero anyway, sobrang proud kami sa project na to kasi hindi lang siya about sa beauty. It's about expression, about confidence, and about love. And sana makita niyo kami na ang Beanie sa bawat swipe niyo, sa bawat shade, and maramdaman na binuo namin to ng may pagmamahal.
Yeah, so Globes, let's play, let's glow, and let your color pop with Beanie Cosmetics. And we are almost at the end of this homecoming. May makakasaya namin here sa MOA Arena. Woo! Are you ready to mag-shaggy din MOA Arena? Yes! Shalala, drums, hindi kami nakain.
Wow, swerte!
Do